Welcome to our review of the top 10 best electric pressure washers. Let's dive into the specifics of each model, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses. Number 1. Pow-Rite Electric Pressure Washer, 3800 PSI 2.4 GPM. This powerhouse delivers a high-pressure output of 3800 PSI at 2.4 GPM, making it ideal for tackling tough outdoor cleaning tasks. With a robust design and easy maneuverability, it can remove dirt and grime from surfaces with ease. Pros. High pressure for deep cleaning. Includes 4 different pressure tips for versatility. Efficient water usage. Cons. Can be louder than other models. Heavier, making it less portable. Number 2. Sun-Joe SPX 3000 Electric High Pressure Washer. The Sun-Joe SPX 3000 is a versatile and environmentally friendly choice, offering a 14.5 amp motor that powers through dirt on various surfaces. Its dual detergent tanks allow for simultaneous use of 2 different types of soap, catering to different cleaning tasks. Pros. Dual detergent tanks for versatile cleaning. Energy-efficient design. 5 quick connect spray tips for various tasks. Cons. Assembly can be tricky for some users. Plastic components may not be as durable as metal ones. Number 3. Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner, 14 inches with 4 wheels. This attachment is designed to enhance the cleaning efficiency of any pressure washer. With a 14-inch path and 4 wheels, it glides over surfaces, cleaning large areas quickly and evenly without leaving streaks. Pros. Large cleaning path covers more area. Wheels ensure smooth movement and reduce user fatigue. Compatible with a variety of pressure washers. Cons. Requires a compatible pressure washer for optimal use. Not ideal for vertical surfaces or tight spaces. Number 4. APIC Electric High Pressure Washer, 3800 PSI 2.4 GPM. The APIC model combines power and portability, delivering 3800 PSI at 2.4 GPM. It's designed for those who need a reliable, high-performance tool for regular cleaning tasks. The upgraded foam cannon and nozzle set enhance its versatility. Pros. Powerful cleaning capability. Upgraded accessories for a variety of tasks. Compact and easy to store. Cons. May require frequent breaks to prevent overheating. Some users report issues with the durability of connectors. Number 5. Westinghouse WPX 3200 Gas Pressure Washer, 3200 PSI 2.5 Max GPM. For those who prefer the mobility and power of a gas pressure washer, the Westinghouse WPX 3200 offers a robust solution. With 3200 PSI and 2.5 GPM, it tackles the most stubborn dirt and stains on any surface. Pros. High power output for heavy-duty cleaning. Includes a soap tank and 5 nozzle options. Durable and built for long-term use. Cons. Gas engine requires regular maintenance. Heavier and louder than electric models. Number 6. Pow-Rite Electric Pressure Washer, 3500 PSI 2.4 GPM. This model is a slightly less powerful version of its counterpart but still offers considerable cleaning power. Suitable for residential use, it combines efficiency with ease of use, making it a great option for routine maintenance. Pros. Efficient and effective cleaning with 3500 PSI. Lightweight and easy to maneuver. Quick connect tips for various cleaning needs. Cons. Plastic parts may affect long-term durability. Hose length could be limiting for larger properties. Number 7. Westinghouse EPX 3500 Electric Pressure Washer, 2500 max PSI 1.76 max GPM. The EPX 3500 is designed for those who value efficiency and compact storage. With its unique design, it offers a balance of power and water conservation, making it ideal for light to medium cleaning tasks. Pros. Anti-tipping technology for stability. Compact design for easy storage. Eco-friendly with lower water usage. Cons. Lower PSI may not suit the toughest cleaning tasks. Some accessories are sold separately. Number 8. Greenworks 1600 PSI Electric Pressure Washer. An excellent choice for eco-conscious users. This electric pressure washer from Greenworks is compact, lightweight, and efficient. It's perfect for light cleaning tasks like washing cars, outdoor furniture, and patios. Pros. Energy efficient and quiet operation. Lightweight and easy to carry. Affordable without compromising on quality. Cons. Not suitable for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. Limited range of accessories included. Number 9. Westinghouse EPX 3100 Electric Pressure Washer, 2300 max PSI 1.76 max GPM. Offering a great mix of power and efficiency, the EPX 3100 is ideal for homeowners. Its design emphasizes stability and ease of use, with a pressure output that cleans effectively without wasting water. Pros. Stable and easy to maneuver. Efficient water use with sufficient power for most tasks. Includes a variety of nozzle options. Cons. Assembly instructions may be confusing. Power cord storage could be improved. Number 10. Biswing 14 inches Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner with 4 wheels. An accessory designed to increase the efficiency of your cleaning. The Biswing Surface Cleaner is perfect for driveways, sidewalks, and patios. Its wide cleaning path and smooth operation make quick work of large areas. Pros. Wide cleaning path for efficiency. Durable construction and design. Easy to attach and use with most pressure washers. Cons. Not suitable for all pressure washer models. Performance can vary based on water pressure. Each of these models and accessories brings